Hi there. Hi there. This is to explain how to check out check out a project or a file from memoQ server. For obvious reasons of confidentiality, I cannot make this live, but I will provide this via these screenshots. So, first step, you will receive on your email credentials about uh, 4 elements. A URL, number one. Two is a username. Three is a password. Four is the project name or the file name. You go to Q's dashboard, as you can see in the screenshot. In this field, number one, paste the URL, then tick the tick. Press the tick mark. So after this, you press check out from server. Number two. So this small window appears. You press again the tick mark. This should be more intuitive from memoQ's part. From the side of memoQ, they should make this more intuitive. Uh, Suggest several next windows in a in a in a single window, not a window after another. In my actual work, these steps till now may vary. I can check out from server first, then paste the URL here, then tick. Another time, this is not enough. I shall paste the URL outside also from the very first field. So you tick again here, then this window appears. Sometimes it takes a minute or shorter to load. Paste the username, make sure it is accurate. Nothing is less copied or more copied. Password here, then press OK. So this window appears, may take a minute or less to load. You paste the file name or the project name here in this field, then press enter. Give it the time to load. After being loaded, after it has been loaded, you will encounter a small window with the phrase of checkout project. Checkout project is the phrase you should click. After clicking it, memoQ will open in this view, in this tab, in this window, call it whatever you like, with the file or files here. Double click on the file or the files to open it in the editor and translate. Thank you and good luck.